Ladies and gents, Razzii grows. Welcome back to the channel. And over here, we're inside the KuCoin wallet exchange. This is where I take my Kda miners and I got it connected to Poolfare.com, which is the mining pool. And we mine Kda, and then after it reaches a threshold, that them coins get sent here to KuCoin. So I got these deposits coming in daily, just about. Every so often I'll go and send them. You see right here, I sent 8.7. So now I have a goal to get 10 Kdanas and then send them over to my other wallet exchange, which is crypto.com. And then therefore, if I need to day trade or swing trade, or if I need money or whatever the case may be, I got my debit card from crypto.com where I can use it wherever I want. I can go get gas, I can go to the liquor store, I can go to the dispensary, I can go anywhere and go use this card. So right now, I'm just, stacking these coins for the long term, for a better future. But until then, we're going to keep minding our business. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Razzii grows.